So today's video is brought to you by my very own coffee, Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. It's available in a K-Cup, whole bean, and pre-ground 16-ounce bag. You can find it at justadadcoffee.com, or right underneath the video, you will see the products displayed and you can click on them and purchase them right there. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm gonna do a review and show you how to cook a hard-boiled egg in this Elite Gourmet egg cooker. So here we have the lid, it just sits on there. This is where we're gonna put the water. You never put the egg or anything here. The hard-boiled eggs always have to go on this. And if you're gonna do omelets or an egg sandwich or something, they always have to go in these containers. You never put the egg here, that's just for the water. Now we do have this container here. This is how much water to add if you want a hard-boiled egg, if you want it soft or medium, or if you want a poached omelet right there. So here it is, it's very simple. This is the off and that's on. Here's what the bottom looks like. It is 120 volts, 60 hertz, 360 watts. Now the cord is 2-prong and it's 26 inches long. Okay, make sure the switch is in the off position. Let's add our water right here. Now on the bottom side, there's a needle here, so be careful. You're gonna take this bottom part off. That's how we're gonna poke the egg. Now you always poke an egg opposite the pointy side. So take this as like the duller side, and you're simply just gonna poke a hole. It'll go in however far it's supposed to. There, we have the egg. Now that has to go up. Put this on and put there. Now you can do anywhere from 1 to 7 eggs. So then I'm simply gonna put the lid on. Again, it doesn't rotate or anything around. There is hot steam coming out of there. And you're simply gonna rotate this. There's a light that comes on, and let's start a timer and we'll see how long it takes. And look who has showed up for a treat. Miss Fiona. Okay, so we're going on the 5-minute mark. Again, be careful, there is really hot steam coming out of there. Okay, so right at the 10-minute mark, the red light goes out and it beeps. The only way to get the beeping to stop is you either have to unplug it or rotate that dial. Now be careful, there's gonna be a lot of steam come out right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and unplug it now. I'm gonna let that cool. That's really hot, so I got it in some with water. But here's how that did. Once in a while you will have to kind of rinse that off, but don't get the machine wet, just kind of wipe it off. But that's really hot, so let that cool. Now the good part, these plastic parts are dishwasher safe and the lid is too. Okay, so I went over there to the sink and peeled it. Let's cut it. Oh, it's still a little runny on the inside. Yeah, it does say you could let it go a few more minutes. So it has been the hardest to find an egg cooker that cooks eggs, a single egg all the way through, hard boil. I'm on about my 6th one so far. So there's 2 requirements I want. I want it to cook it all the way through without having to go any longer, and I want it to automatically shut off. And I want the tone to be kind of a nice tone, not a really hard beep that my dog wouldn't like. So this one was only $20, so I got to keep searching. Again, I wanted to cook the eggs all the way first, but I want the ring to be kind of a nice ring, but then automatically shut off. Now this one I think did shut off, but the tone doesn't shut off. Anyway, the search will continue. So just keep looking out. Whenever I find one, I'll put the best egg cooker I find. Hope my video helps. Thanks everybody for watching. So thanks everybody for watching my video today. Underneath the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, you can purchase all this coffee right below the video. You'll see links to them, or go to justadadcoffee.com. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Recently, YouTube just sent me my 100,000 subscriber plaque. That would not be possible without everybody's support. So again, I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this new adventure, branding my own coffee. It tastes really good, and I hope you're going to definitely like it. Again, hoping somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is. It's Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. And again, thanks so much for watching the YouTube channel. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there, and you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much. Miss Fiona always knows when I'm doing a recording.